Hey guys, what's up? It's Phantom Ninja here, back with another video. And today, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Minecraft for free. Like, literally free. Like, you just don't have to pay anything. Like, zero, zilch, notcha. Just don't have to pay anything at all. So, what you want to do is go to your Google Chrome browser. And then in the search bar, just type T-Launcher. Okay, and then you just want to click the first link that pops up. Like the first link that pops up, you just want to click it, and then you just want to go down and click Download TL. So download T-Launcher. So this won't get any viruses on your computer or anything. And now you just want to click your platform. For me, it's Windows, so I'm just gonna click it. And then you gotta hit the little arrow thing and then open when done. So this is not gonna get any viruses. It's 100% legit. And yeah, it's legit. So there you go. Welcome to T-Launcher. The wizard will help you install T-Launcher. Okay, and for this page you just want to continue. Just click continue. And you just want to click I accept the terms of license agreements, continue, ready to install, continue again. I just want to wait until it downloads. And then additional tasks, you just don't want to do anything with this page, right? Just continue, and installation complete. And you want to click continue on this as well. Oh my god. So wait a little bit. A window's gonna pop up. There we go. Not a window, sorry, like a thing. Okay, now it pops up. What you want to do is, oh wait, that's kind of weird. I only have username. Whatever. So you just want to go down, and click what game, like what version you want. First, I'm gonna type my username in. For this one, I'm just gonna use the same thing, the _ one, and it really looks. It's just, I don't know. For this video, it looks good. And you just want to select the latest version or whatever version you want, and then you're just gonna click enter game. And you gotta wait until the Mojang Studios window pops up. Don't panic. Don't panic. It's gonna load up eventually. It's just gonna take like 30 seconds or so. So yeah. And there we go. It popped up. Mojang Studios. Oh yeah, this is 100% real. The latest version, everything. Yeah, I just want to wait until it loads and wait for it. Boom! There we go, guys. Minecraft Java edition. It doesn't really matter. Same thing. Original Minecraft. I just want to click single player, and I'm gonna select creative. And you're just gonna wait until it loads up. And yeah, there we go. It's joining world. There we go. And yeah, Minecraft. It's gonna be a little bit of lag when you start the game, but that's okay. It's gonna go away. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to go down there and subscribe. Also, while you're down there, just hit the like button. Just hit it. Yeah, the chat works, everything works. And yeah, for now, peace.